improvement related to their TCGS editor. As you probably know, their TCGS presents their property values, and it can be programmed using JavaScript syntax. Basically, you can write anything here in JavaScript, and when you convert your existing TC files to JavaScript, it will just contain the list of the simple assignments that's on the left part. It will be their standard TC property, on the left side its value. However, once you will move forward and want to add the specific information, you want to modify their information here and property based on its value using the JavaScript statements. For instance, I can write something like this. I will save it. So as you see, all their tabs that were visible before are now gone. This is caused by the fact that I'm using their advanced syntax. I'm not using a standard assignments for their properties. I have right now annotation in the ruler to the left of their editor area that says to me the reason why this code is been treated as their advanced syntax. So it's beyond the simple assignments, and actually if I will remove it and save it, all my tabs that have some user interface presentation will be back. Also, if I want to do some modifications in my files by just having their multiple assignments for their single property, I will save it. Again, it will create me their annotation that will point that this syntax is treated beyond the simple assignments list, because to calculate the values of the properties, we need actually to evaluate their TCGS file. We cannot calculate it because it is not simple. And just to remind you that we have a command that is called open evaluated version. And when this command is used, and if you have advanced syntax and you want to see the real values that are computed as a result of JavaScript evaluation, you can use it. And here you will see that all their fields are read-only, and it will contain the final values that will be used in the build for TC properties. Also, just for your understanding, if I will do their syntax error here on purpose, yeah, so yeah, so if I will start if statement and want to finalize it, it will have an unexpected token problem marker created in the problems view that will, by double click, will highlight you their line that contains their faulty JavaScript syntax. Also, take into account that these annotations are not visible in the problems view, just because they're not errors, warnings, or informations for you. Is just a way to mark and for you to easily find their lines which causing their TCGS editor be in their advanced syntax mode. So I think this is all in the area of their TCGS. Any questions? If not, then I think one thing that I will mention is that here, if you disable the initialization of their build server at startup, we have fixed the problem that it won't try to invoke the conversion of the TC files by default in your workspace. So if you want to work with their old TC files for some reason, or you have your custom transformation as a legacy part and you want to reuse it in Tender 3, just disable the build server and work with your custom TCs, and it won't use any model compiler request or operations. And I think this is all from me for now for the build improvements.